How to book on trip.com. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will simply guide you on how you can actually book on trip.com, whether it's a flight or whether it's a hotel. So make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to book a specific place on trip.com, all you have to do is go ahead and launch the trip.com application. Once you launch the trip.com app, you will see this type of interface where you just need to actually go ahead and then actually look for hotels or flights that you want to book. So let's say in this case you're trying to book a specific hotel. Tap on the hotel tab over here, allow the location. It will automatically suggest you the nearest places. You can just go ahead and simply search for the specific hotel and then just tap on the search best prices over here, and then once you simply enter a destination or a property, you can just select them over here and then just tap on search. It will automatically search the best hotels and places that are actually based on your needs and your circumstances. Over here you should be able to go ahead and simply see the details and then just tap on the select rooms option. Once you select the rooms, tap on reserve option. It will just take you to the next page where you can simply tap on the book option in order to confirm the booking of this hotel. Now in another case scenario, let's say that you want to book a flight and then you want to get a ticket to it. Then you just want to come back over here again, just come to the home page, tap on the flight button. You can simply select from where you want to depart and to where you want to depart to. So let's say I want to depart from this place to, let's say, some other place. I can simply just go ahead and simply search the depart date over here, tap on the done button. Once I just basically tap the done button over here, I can simply fly economy or premium economy depending upon what I want, or if I want to fly first class I can do that as well. But I'm assuming in the first class you will get very little options because there are not many first class options available. If you just tap on the search button though, you should be able to go ahead and then actually search for a specific place that you might want to go ahead and then simply search your flights for. And this is basically it on how you can book on the trip.com app. We hope the video was helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.